while there's no set rule on what the difference between a stone wall and a boulder wall really actually are, generally speaking, we consider boulder walls to be larger blocks of stone that are dry laid, meaning that there's not mortar or cement used with the wall, and stone walls to be smaller pieces of stone, either stacked, and they can be either dry laid and glued, or they can be mortared. So typically when you start seeing maybe something that, if you think of smaller rocks being for stone walls and bigger rocks being for boulder walls, that's a fair way to look at it. Sort of in terms of what's better or what's, it really depends upon the application. You can make stone walls using little rocks very strong by what you put behind the stone. Whether it's, do you have concrete back there, do you have block back there, do you have a lot more stone that you're piling up behind it to make it stronger? And boulder walls can be also very strong depending on the size of the boulders used. The bigger the wall, or the bigger the boulder, the stronger the wall. So generally speaking, that's the primary differences, and the real decision is mostly just an aesthetic one, and maybe a little bit of a space one, because the boulder walls tend to take up more room than a stone wall.